In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on any photo to attach it. If you can't find your photo over here, you can click on Gallery or swipe all the way to the left and tap on those three dots on the right. Either way, you can look for your photos here. Click on the chosen ones and tap on Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find them, you can click on those three dots or Gallery, then select Folders and look for your photos by hitting Images at the top, using one of those apps, or selecting those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. After finding a photo that you are looking for, just hold it and hit Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!